Okay, hello, I'm Sam Leiva.
Hey, I'm Dane Firestone.
Hello, I'm Stephanie Ingraham.
Hi, I'm Jimmy Negron.
Hello, I'm Mark Sipniewski.
Hi, I'm Penny Schenke, and we are Think Differently. Welcome to Think Differently, where we are changing the stigma behind ADHD and autism, that we are not less, we just think differently. Welcome to the positive side. I will pass it off to Dane.
Thanks, Penny. The goal for this project is to provide positive and educational resources to neurodivergent children and their parents. Each and every aspect of the site was designed with a purpose and to provide value to our users. While there are other resources available, they tend to focus on the negative aspects of neurodiversity and lack cohesion. With Think Differently, we wanted to come with a different approach. All the resources and information provided with our service are packed into cohesive sections and have an emphasis on positivity. I'm going to pass it back off to Penny to walk us through the homepage and our design process.
Thanks, Dane. Our homepage, as well as throughout our site, you are greeted with large, colorful pages designed with kids in mind, easy access, fun characters, and animation. In our application, we used JavaScript, SCSS, and React.js in the front end. I'm going to go ahead and pass this back off to Jimmy to show your login page.
Thank you, Penny. The login process is fairly simple. Users input their login credentials on the website's login form. That information is sent to the authentication server where the information is compared with all the user credentials on file. And now I'm going to pass this back off to Penny and she will explain the ADHD Toolbox.
Thanks, Jimmy. Our ADHD Toolbox, in the ADHD Toolbox, our users can find different tools to help them with daily tasks, like our timer to help with time blindness, a fidget spinner to help with nerves and anxiety, and a video page with positive and helpful videos, and a resource page for ADHD sites. Now I'll pass it off to Sam to explain our sticky notes.
Thanks, Penny. Sticky Notes is an interactive component where the user can create tasks, make to-do lists, brainstorming, or more. Just type anything you want to do. Click on Save. If you want delete, just click on Delete, and it's done. It's very simple. Now let me show you what emotions and communication board. What we create here is a really cool communication board. The purpose of this component is to provide the user the opportunity to share emotions or needs. When the user clicks in one of these emojis and they clicks and confirm, clicking in yes, immediately gets shared to the parent page. Now, Mark will show us what's happening in the parent page.
Thanks, Sam. Here we have the parent side of our application. We have links to resources for the parents to help them be educated advocates for their children. These resources are all passed to the front end, which is a JavaScript application using React, from a Java Spring REST Data JPA on the back end. The back end also has a populator which stores all of our resources throughout the site and gives us the flexibility to update our content and keep it fresh and engaging. The parent's homepage also shows a mood tracker where the emoji was passed over from the child's page. We also give some recommendations for the parent on what to do or what actions to take based on the emoji. I would like to pass this off to Stephanie now.
Thank you, Mark. In the Inspire page, we are showcasing influential figures and talents who identify as neurodivergent, who use their unique abilities to achieve their dreams and ambition. Here, we have a sample size of quotes from these figures, along with a picture or GIF to put the quote to the face of that influencer. Below this page, we have also listed some positive movies illustrating that there is not only diversity, but key representation in our universe. I'd also like to talk about our Autism Toolbox, where we have an alternative theme, of a fidget spinner on this page. And we also have a coloring page to exercise digital creativity. With enough time, we would have loved to add a community forum to enable communication between users and information of upcoming events. We also would have added a personal development page, lists of activities to explore with your child in each life stage, such as building blocks for your toddler, obstacle courses for your school-aged children, and gaming or any strategic puzzles for your teens. And with this, I would like to say thank you for the opportunity to present our project, Think Differently. Welcome to the positive side.